You know, I always look there, not here. It's
Oh yeah.
Big problem of mine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have an exciting video because we're filming a challenge. That's so cringe. We're filming the whisper challenge. So excited. But oh wait, let me explain what it is. So someone puts headphones on and then the other person has to whisper something and I have to guess what she's whispering. Usually, so she doesn't hear me, I'd have to put music on and play it loud, but Ramadan and that stuff, we're not doing none of that. So I thought, oh, raindrops. I'll just put on like raindrops very loud so she can't hear anything. It'll sound like static basically. And then we carry on that way.
There you go.
Oh, this is Ramla, by the way. You guys have
Hi guys, probably seen me already.
Yeah, when we did the trying snacks from
Paris.
So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the description. Make sure you watch it. That's basically what we're doing in this video. So if you like it, thumbs it up. Tell them to give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe. Subscribe. And turn on post notifications so you get notified when she uploads next.
That was beautiful.
Thank you. I'm watching a YouTube video.
Wow. Do everything that she just said, and without further ado, let's get on with this video.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, stop it, man. You're going first.
Okay.
And I'm gonna whisper. I'm gonna actually have to like whisper it loud enough so you guys can hear me, but she can't. Does that make sense? Shut up, you loser.
I don't know what's going on.
I love this. Okay, first one. I love potatoes.
Say it again.
I like potatoes.
I like potatoes.
Damn it, yeah. Okay, I'm doing
That's
another
the
one.
easy one.
Yeah, okay, I'm doing another one. Shut the front door.
Shut the front door.
What the hell? She's so good at this.
It's because you're
Can you hear me?
pronouncing it. No,
Oh,
you're
okay.
pronouncing it going shut.
okay, let me know. Okay, let me start.
Say it quicker.
Okay. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
You said super.
Ah, Ramla, how can you hear me? Can you hear me? Well, you just said no, so you can hear me.
I can hear you a little bit, but I can't hear when you're saying the words. You said perfume. Sound perfume. Look what?
Perfume.
Look at the perfume. You use the perfume.
Gucci perfume. Gucci perfume.
You use the perfume.
Gucci perfume.
I need perfume.
Yeah, you do. I'm joking. Gucci perfume.
Lucy perfume.
Gucci perfume.
Lucy perfume.
Gucci perfume.
Say again.
Gucci perfume.
Lucy perfume.
Hell no. Who's Lucy?
I don't know who Lucy is. You tell me.
Gucci perfume.
I give up. I don't know what you're saying.
She gave up. What a loser.
I don't know. You said something about perfume.
Gucci perfume.
Oh.
Okay, my turn. I'm good at lip reading, by the way. Just saying.
Okay, I'm gonna say something that's gonna throw you
I didn't
off.
know what you just said, so clearly I'm not good at it. I ate Handra last night.
No.
You ate something last night.
I ate a dog last night.
You had chocolate last night.
No.
You ate chocolate last night.
No. I ate a dog last night. I ate a dog last night.
I ate yogurt last night.
No. Close. I ate a dog last night. I ate a dog.
Ew, you ate a dog last night. Nasty. You hate chewing gum though.
No, I hate going up the hill.
You ate chewing gum though.
You said the same thing twice.
I ate chewing gum though.
No, I hate going up the hill.
Oh, me too. I hate going up the hill. Me too. I'm just too good at this. I slipped on a monkey.
I slept on a monkey.
No. I slipped on a monkey.
You slept on a monkey?
I slipped on a monkey.
You slipped on a monkey.
Yeah. Yeah, she got that. yeah. I like odorless perfume.
You like old people perfume?
No.
I like old what?
Odorless perfume.
Old knickers.
no.
You like using people's perfume?
I do, but not that.
You like old people's... I don't know. You just sound like you're saying I like old people's perfume.
Odorless perfume.
You like odorless perfume.
Oh, damn it! I accentuated it too much. Is it? Oh,
What is it?
my laptop at home is broken.
No laptop. My laptop at home is broken.
My laboom. My lap home. My lap hole.
What laptop?
Your lab bro.
No, my laptop.
My last poop. Your light. I hear light poop. Your light.
My light bulb. You're nearly...
Your light bulb.
Yeah.
Your light. Oh.
There was a car crash yesterday.
Where?
Do you hear what I said?
Yeah, there was a car crash yesterday.
No, you
Where?
actually heard what I said, didn't it?
What?
You actually heard what I said, or did you literally?
No, I lip read it. But where?
I don't know, I made it up. Grace died in Goldilocks yesterday. Grace.
Chris.
Grace.
Crass.
Grace.
Gris.
Grace.
Grass.
Grace.
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 Dress.
Grace.
Crest.
Grace.
Chris.
Grace.
Grace.
Yes, died in Hollyoaks yesterday. Died in Hollyoaks yesterday.
Like closest.
Died in Hollyoaks.
That's close.
Died.
Grace.
Died in Hollyoaks yesterday.
Died in Hollyoaks. Oh, it stopped. It stopped. That's how I heard you.
Yeah, she didn't actually die. She nearly died though.
Spoiler. Wow, she just spoiled it.
You don't watch it. Oh, spoiler alert.
Fenty Beauty is in boots.
I have no idea what you said.
Fenty Beauty is now in boots.
You sound like you're saying something Arabic. Well, you actually say something Arabic. I don't know Arabic.
Fenty Beauty is now in boots.
Finding remorse.
What?
Finding a horse.
No.
Finding a remorse.
Fenty Beauty.
Finding a morse.
Fenty Beauty.
Finding Morrissey.
Fenty Beauty.
Finding Maury.
Fenty Beauty.
Finding Nemo. Finding Nemo.
Fenty Beauty.
Fenty Beauty.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. In boots.
It's out in boots.
Yeah, it's out in boots, you know it?
Yeah, I saw it. I texted a guy.
Whoa. Astaghfirullah, sister.
It's Ramadan.
Yeah.
Daddy Bear ate all his children.
Daddy Bear is huge.
No, Daddy Bear ate all his
Teddy
children.
Bear situation. Can the office, Daddy Bear
Ate all his children.
and his children,
Ate all his children.
what was you?
Ate. You never say it. Daddy Bear ate all his children.
Daddy Bear hates all his children.
Ate all his children.
Ate all his children!
I say random things by the way.
Yeah, yeah.
Mr. Goldilocks.
Busy cockroaches. What are you saying?
Where did you get cockroaches from? Mr. Goldilocks.
Pursue your clock. So confused.
Mr. Goldilocks.
Bitter don't cook.
What are you saying?
Better or not,
No. Mr. Goldilocks.
picture your
Mr.
matter.
Mr.
Mr.
Goldilocks.
Oh, Mr.
Mr. Goldilocks.
I just with the camera. Mr. Goldilocks.
Mr. Goldilocks
Mr. Goldilocks. Left.
lives in the woods.
Left who?
Lives in the woods.
Left to the woods.
Lives in the woods.
Left the woods.
Lives in the woods.
Left the woods. He's a wuss. So God loves a wuss.
No, lives in the woods.
Left the waters.
Lives in the woods.
Lifted the water.
Lives in the woods.
Lift the woods. Lift the woods.
Lives in the woods.
Lived in the woods.
Lives.
Mr. Goldilocks lives in the woods.
Yeah. And
And
climb.
claps. Oh.
Climb the tree.
And climb the tree. Climb the tree.
Climb the tree.
Climb the tree.
To get the bee.
To get the bid.
get
Bids.
beans.
To get the bees.
Beans.
Please.
Beans.
Pass.
Beans.
Piss. You're saying piss, Ramla. You're saying piss.
I'm saying beans.
You're saying piss, yeah.
Beans.
Bits.
Beans.
Bees.
Beans.
Peace.
Beans.
Please.
Beans.
Peace.
Beans. I'm not saying biz.
Please.
Beans.
Binge. Bleach. Bins. Peace. Meese. Mass. Mr. Goldilocks climbed the wood, left the woods, and climbed the tree
To get the beans.
to get the biz.
Beans.
Bins.
Beans.
Pins.
Beans.
Bees.
Beans.
Beans.
Yeah.
Oh, I stopped recording. But it's Mr. Goldilocks climbed the tree, lived in the woods, and climbed the tree to get the beans. Okay. I'm a dinosaur and I'm going to eat your head.
You sound like you did a run. You sound like you went raw, Majala,
Raw, I'm a dinosaur.
raw,
Raw, I'm a dinosaur and I'm going to eat
raw,
your
Mr.
head.
Ali,
Who?
Mr. Andrew, raw, Mr. Andrew, raw, I met Andrew, raw, I'm a tutu.
Who's Andrew and I'm a tutu?
I don't know. Raw, I'm a tutu. Raw,
Raw. Not raw. Raw.
raw.
Yeah. I'm a dinosaur.
I miss Mr. Andrew.
Who's Andrew?
I don't know. Habitat, raw, I don't know you. I bake. I'm baking.
No. I'm
I'm
a
a
dinosaur.
10
Dinosaur.
Tango. Thank you. Thank you.
Dinosaur.
Thank you. Dan.
Yeah.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
So.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Yes.
I'm raw. I'm a dinosaur.
Yeah. Raw. I'm a dinosaur and
And
I will eat your head.
I went to Greg's.
What?
I'm a dinosaur. And
I will eat your head.
I will eat my kids.
What?
I will eat your kids.
I'll eat your head.
I will eat your head.
Yeah. My little brother was having, huh? Come, sit on my lap so you can do it. And you're gonna say the words to him.
Okay.
So, introduce
Mom,
yourself.
say this. So I'm Mosa. Yeah.
You have to come back a bit.
So I'm Mosa, and then you might have seen me in some of the recent videos. Subscribe and like the video.
So he's gonna be putting this on, and he has to guess what Ramla's saying.
Your breath stinks.
Your sister is perfect. Your brother.
Your breath.
Your mom.
Your breath.
Your mouth.
Your breath similar. Your breath.
Your what?
Breath.
Your proud.
Breath.
Proud.
Your breath.
Can I proud?
Your breath.
Your brother.
Your breath.
Your plant.
Your breath.
Your breath.
Stinks.
Yeah. Oh,
Your breath stinks.
your breath stinks.
What? All you can smell is his breath in it.
Say again.
The clock is going clockwise.
The
The clock is
the
going.
glasses.
The clock is going clockwise.
The glasses
The clock is
The clock
is going clockwise.
is already broken.
It's going clockwise.
He's not saying anything.
What's the have to talk?
The clock is going clockwise.
He's not moving his mouth at all.
The clock is going clockwise.
It's going crickle and.
It's going clockwise.
The clock is going clockwise.
Yes.
Yeah. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely want to do a part 2. This video was so fun. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Oh, you know what you can do. Take it away, boo.
Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. Give it a subscribe and make sure you turn on the subscribe. What did I say?
Subscribe. Why does everyone say that?
Subscribe and make sure you turn on the post notifications to get notified when she uploads next. And we'll see you guys
In the next video.
Bye.
Stop it, Mama.
I don't know how they do, you know.
Who?
And how they
It's
do
that.
Oh.
It's, no, it's just literally that.
No, it's not.
That, Ramla.
Content.
Just a circle.
Let's move on. It didn't look like words.
You guys stop shouting! Mommy, shark, do 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 do.
I said hello. I'm happy that you came. I said hello. Please tell me. Please tell me your name. The dog is behind.
One dog. One dog.
Mr. B. I